Hello kids, it's me Kalavati from United Public School from the Department of English. Now today let us see a new letter R. New letter R. First we'll see the sound of the letter R. What's the sound of this letter? Now let us see a small story for this letter. Robin and the Rainbow. Robin is a smart boy. One day it was raining heavily. Robin wore his red raincoat and went into the fields. He crossed the river and reached the field with full of red roses. He met Roni the rabbit and Retta the rat, and they stayed for some time. The rain stopped. They went into the fields. They saw a big rainbow. They were very happy. They went home back. So, children, now let us recall the words from the story. Rabbit, rat, rose, robin, Rita, Roni, river, rainbow, rabbit. Okay children, now let us see a small song for this letter. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. Thank you children.